All the flowers of all the tomorrows are in the seeds of today. Treat the earth well. It was not given to you by your parents, it was loaned to you by your children. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Tell me and I'll forget. Show me, and I may not remember. Involve me, and I'll understand. Certain things catch your eye, but pursue only those that capture the heart. The soul would have no rainbow if the eye had no tears. Seek wisdom, not knowledge. Knowledge is of the past, wisdom is of the future. Regard heaven as your father, earth as your mother, and all things as your brothers and sisters. We always return to our first loves. A brave man dies but once, a coward many times. When we show our respect for other living things, they respond with respect for us. Take only what you need and leave the land as you found it. Don't be afraid to cry. It will free your mind of sorrowful thoughts. The one who tells the stories rules the world. When you were born, you cried and the world rejoiced. Live your life so that when you die, the world cries and you rejoice. The weakness of the enemy makes our strength. Don't let yesterday use up too much of today. Beware of the man who does not talk, and the dog that does not bark. Do not judge your neighbor until you walk 2 moons in his moccasins. If a man is as wise as a serpent, he can afford to be as harmless as a dove. Poverty is a noose that strangles humility and breeds disrespect for God and man.